everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So today we're making a sweet potato pie cheesecake. So I'm actually from Canada, so we don't really have sweet potato pie, I think that's what it's called, for Thanksgiving, but I know in the States it's so popular, so I thought I would turn it into a cheesecake. So let's get started. And before we get into the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I now have merch. I've been working on this for like a year. So it is in the little Teespring shelf underneath the video that you're watching, and everything is hosted on Teespring, so go check it out over there. More stuff is going to be coming in the next couple weeks. There are going to be so many things in that store, and I've like designed everything, and I've like sourced like all the little, I'm so excited, so please go check it out. I hope that you like what I've made so far, and yeah, okay, let's get into the video. So first we are going to make the crust. What you want to do is combine some marshmallows and butter in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave for 30-second intervals until the marshmallows have fully melted for about 2 minutes. Then add some vanilla extract and mix until everything is combined. Then add some Rice Krispies and mix until fully incorporated. So I know that usually in cheesecake recipes you use graham cracker crust, but I thought that would be a really cool touch. And actually I love the way that the Rice Krispies taste and the texture that goes with the sweet potato cheesecake. It's so good, oh my god, so definitely try this crust out. Then you want to spray a 9-inch round springform pan and also spray your hands with some cooking spray and press the Rice Krispies into the pan to make a crust. Then you want to spread out half a cup of melted white chocolate onto the insides of the crust. So this is really important because, putting my laptop aside, this is where like the steps are if you're curious. I read off this when I'm reading out the directions. When you are using Rice Krispies as a crust for cheesecake, the cheesecake portion can make the Rice Krispies get soggy, and then it's just so gross. So we are using a little white chocolate barrier to prevent the cheesecake from like lying directly on the Rice Krispies. And what this will do is keep the Rice Krispies stiff. I can't speak today. And also the little like added touch of the white chocolate makes it taste even more delicious. Then pop the pan into the fridge while you make the filling. So to make the filling, you want to poke a yam several times with a fork, and then dampen it with some water and wrap it in plastic wrap. Microwave for 4 to 6 minutes or until it is soft. And then you want to allow the yam to cool completely, and then remove the peel and kind of mash up the inside. And you can always roast your yam if you prefer this. I just microwaved it just because it's like way quicker, but either way works. Then you want to beat some cream cheese with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Add some sugar and the yam and mix to combine. Then you want to add some spices. So we are using cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. And then we're also going to add some vanilla extract, some lemon juice, and some whipping cream and mix that all together. Then combine some gelatin and water in a small bowl and microwave for 30 seconds or until the gelatin has fully melted. Add this to the cheesecake mixture and mix until well combined. Then you want to add some orange food coloring. So I used orange and a touch of brown because I find that with the orange coloring that I use, which is Wilton Colorite, I'll link it down below. It's like the only food coloring I use anymore because I really like it. But the orange is a little, it doesn't look like real orange, if you know what I mean. So I added a touch of brown, so just 1 drop of brown and like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 drops of orange to kind of balance it out and make it look a little bit more natural, like the actual color of a yam. So just blend it all together and then pour it into the springform pan and smooth the surface, and then pop it in the fridge overnight or until it's firm. Then you want to place some mini marshmallows in concentric circles on top of the cake, and comment down below if you know what TV show that quote is from. And then you want to use a kitchen torch to brown the marshmallows. So when you're using a kitchen torch, it can be intimidating. I'm always like mildly terrified every time I use it. But I'll link it, also I'll link one down below if you don't have one. They're easy to use, but I'm just nervous. When you use it, it can set off your smoke detector. So you want to do it in an area that is very well ventilated. I decided to do it on my end table next to my couch because my porch door is right there, and you can see that Paddington thought it was for him. He like snuck his little nose in the shot a couple times. My good name. Yes, I'm talking about you. Oh yes, nice boys. But yeah, and then you just want to brown the marshmallow until it is your desired level of toasted. Keep an eye out because you can set marshmallows on fire. You can kind of see it happening a little bit, but it's not too bad. But yeah, then just slice the cheesecake up and you are done. Oh, and before I forget, I also have a pumpkin spice cheesecake if you're interested in that as well. If you prefer pumpkin over sweet potato, you're getting room tomorrow. So stay tuned on Instagram if you want to see his little haircut because it's gonna be cute. It's gonna look like a little bear with little bear ears. Yes, you are. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. Not next week. On Thursday, I'm going to show you how to roast sweet potatoes. I know Thanksgiving is coming up for you guys, so I wanted to give you a quick savory dish. It's so easy to make, like so easy. Even if you're super tired, it's like really easy to just pop in the oven. So if you're looking for a side for Thanksgiving, this is going to be perfect. And if you have extra sweet potatoes hanging around, I know one of you guys commented that in like last week's video, so this is for you. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on Thursday for that recipe. I love you so much, and yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.